What's the difference between изучать и учить? First of all, both verbs must be followed by an object, so you must say what you're studying right after them. However, учить has two meanings. You can say «Я учу русский язык» because you're studying it, and I can say «Я учу русский язык» because I'm teaching it. Изучать, however, has only one meaning. When it comes to conjugating the verb, изучать is also a much more straightforward word. It is simply a first conjugation verb. Учить, however, is a second conjugation verb, and it has spelling variations in the first and last forms because of letter Ч. So if you ask me, изучать is a much easier word to use. However, учить is much more popular among both native speakers and students of Russian.